Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk windscreen wipers used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. Lift the wiper blade arms. To remove the blade, lift the locking flap. Then slide the blade downwards to remove it. To avoid any damage, rest the arm delicately on the windshield. Put a paper towel down first to protect the glass. Take the new blade and install the adapter which corresponds to your model. To put the new one in place, slide the blade onto the housing, then push the locking flap back down. Place the wiper on the windshield. Lift the wiper blade arm. Incline the blade to 45 degrees. With your thumbs, apply pressure to unclip the blade.
Okay, guys, if we can share this video with you and help you save a lot of money, is also thanks to our partner, Mr. Auto. So, if you want to support us and buy the part for this operation, visit their website. Okay, back to work.
Take the new blade. To put the new one in place, clip the blade into its housing. Put the wiper arm down. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.